Again, it's White. I can thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the Binance interface. As a beginner, maybe you just create your account and you don't even know how to use this platform. I'm just going to take you through how you'll be able to use platform. I'm going to show you all these features here that you are seeing, what they mean, what they means to you. So on your Binance account, after creating your account, just check your profile to see if it has been verified successfully. So if your account is verified, this is what you are going to see. You see verified. Okay, then let's move on back to home. So this is home of this platform, that is this Binance platform. So these are the things that you see. So as a beginner, you'll be wondering what these things mean. So first one we have here to be Binance Academy. So this is the part where if you want to learn anything, you just come here, and there are a lot of things that you can learn from this part. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can learn from this part. So if you want to learn, just come to Binance Academy. You have a lot of things, people are asking a lot of questions and they are giving answers. So just come here and learn. So that's it for the Binance Academy. Then the next thing that you are going to see is earn. So this is the platform, part of this platform where you can also buy, or you can deposit your coin there in order to earn interest every day. That is the earning part of this platform. So when you come here, we have so many coins here that you can trade with, or you can buy some of this platform, deposit your money here, and you'll be getting interest on it every day. And then we have here to be a referral program. The referral program is whereby you are going to copy links, and then you'll be sharing the links to your friends to come to this platform, and you are going to be given a reward for that. And then we have more. Now more deals with all the programs here, all the things here. So as you can see, we have announcement, auto investment, feed, cards, so when converts to a lot of things that you can see on this platform, which is what the more part of this platform. Then you move on to the next one. This one is P2P trading, that is person to person trading. This is where you can buy and sell your crypto. Okay, so if you want to make any if you want to buy crypto, you just come here, you hit on buy, and these are the people who are buying, they are selling. So you just come here and buy from these people. And if you have crypto and you want to sell, you just click on sell here, and then you sell. As at now, you sell your crypto on this part, which is the P2P trading. And then we have deposit. You can also deposit your crypto by coming here. So I am in Ghana here, so as you can see, automatically it has selected my country. So far, this is how this part of the app means. That is the home. Now your wallet. Now when you come to your wallet part, this is what you are going to see. You see buy, and then you see deposit. So if you want to deposit, you just hit on deposit. It will take you to P2P. If you want to buy, you just hit on buy. It will take you to P2P, and then you move on. If you want to learn how to buy and sell crypto using P2P, just check the description of this video. I'll pin a video there for you to go on. So on the top here, this is what you're going to see. This is the overview, all the coins that you have, you see it here. So as you can see, this is what is left in my account here. Now here is what your spot wallet. Okay, and then we have here to be your funding wallet. So whenever anyone sends you, or you buy any crypto, you are going to see it in your funding wallet. So we have margin, then we have futures, and then we have the Binance, and I think I have explained the Binance. And so far, these are some of the features that as a beginner you just need to know. Thank you for watching this video.